This one alkaline. That's regular, yeah. I was here yesterday, guys, and they were closed. So now I'm back today. All right. Finally, I got my water. One alkaline, one regular. One regular for me and one alkaline for mom. All right. Today is Monday. 4 more days to go for surf camp. And I'm still doing this project, trying to finish it. Welcome to my DIY project. DIY, do it yourself. Woo! I laminate this yesterday. This is the one I broke. Right now I'm gonna sand this one and put another layer of fiberglass cloth. All right, first things first. All right, first things first. All right, first things first. Okay. All right, first things first. Safety first. All right. Let's do this. Ooh. That's the foam right there. And oh my gosh, how to explain this in English? Okay, I know I hit the foam right here on this part right here and this right here. I'm gonna put one layer in here. The fiberglass cloth is a little bit thicker. Once I put this on, they'll be even after I sand it. This one right here, as you can see, I try to even it out, but there's a bubbles right there. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna fill it in. All right, based on my research, I only learned this watching a YouTube video on how to fix board and how to make surfboard. When you are ready to laminate this one, you always want to make sure that there's no debris. You don't want any dirt in there. The way you clean it, you use acetone to wipe the debris out. I don't have an acetone right now and I'm thinking of getting one, but you know, I only have few surfboards that I'm going to fix, and acetone for like half a gallon is like about $25. So what I'll be using today, alcohol. I guess it'll work. You know, this is a battle scars right here, so alcohol is good for battle scars. All right. You wipe it like that, just like that. Wipe it real good. While this thing is drying, I'm gonna have the fiberglass cloth ready for lamination. I'm gonna put this thing on so it won't move. It's kind of dark.
Brad.
See you next week. Have a safe flight, Brad. Huh? That's how you see a working man, you know? I only glue this one out using resin, and we're gonna make this stronger. And the way you do it, and the way I saw it on the internet, is you have to put this thick string of fiberglass cloth, fiber cloth. We're gonna put it this side and on the other side. This strings of fibercloth is from here. When I shaped my own surfboard, it was all glass on. I like old school styles, and I don't have a machine for a fin box, so that's why I go for glass on. We're gonna put this thing right here and on the other side, and once I put that thing on, I'm gonna wrap it with fibercloth, and boom, time for surgery. While doing this, you gotta work faster. You gotta be quick. The way I put this, they have a kind of like a measurement on how many drops you wanna put, but me, I only do it eye to eye. No measurement. In Bisaya, mata sa mata. Oh. So as you can see right now while I'm mixing is I'm still wearing a tank top like I said yesterday. So hot today, and I can't afford to wear a long sleeve. My body gets hot easy. First we're gonna wet this part. We're gonna divide this in two. Love of my life, don't hurt me. You follow my arm, and now you leave me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, bring it back. Don't take it away from me, because see right there. Oops, the other part is not very wet. You wanna make it good wet, so no bubbles involved. But I'm pretty sure there's gonna be bubbles. I'm not a pro. I just look like a pro. I make it look easy, but there's nothing easy. And anything you do, it looks easy because of the experience. All right, I wetted this, wet, right there. I'll put it on the other side like that. You go away, sister. This thing gets messy. Some other people will put tape around here and then paper, but like I said, mata. Now it's time to put the fibercloth. Now we're gonna massage it. Check it out. No bubbles. Looks good. And we're gonna dry this outside. What happened is supposedly I will do it halfway on its curement. I don't know if that's how you're gonna say it, but I was taking lunch and it took me a while to finish. Oh. Bone. I'm gonna show you guys a trick with Hurley. Dead, Hurley. Dead. Ah, that's how he did. It's just a couple seconds. We're gonna cut this. Hopefully it'll cut through, because supposedly it'll be like half curing, so it'll be easy to cut it, but now it's fully cured. Here we go. It's not bad. I can cut it as long as this thing is sharp, but this part right here, you really want to go all the way down. That's too hard now. In the back. There you go. Now we're gonna smooth this thing out. Why didn't I see this thing right here? I forgot about this. Well, I have to fix it. Check this on out. It's already hard. The cracks right here, cracks right there, cracks over there, it's already taken care of. Right now, sand this rough, make it smoother, make it shinier. All right, let's do this. Ooh, shaka. Mwah. I just fixed 5 surfboards today. I quit. Tired and hungry. I done for the day. Do it again tomorrow. All right. Woo! Shaka. Time to clean. All right. Thank you guys for watching. This is my DIY project. DIY, do it yourself. Woo! Let's do it again tomorrow. Tired, hungry, smelly. Not really. I'm just sweaty today. See ya. Peace. Woo! Shaka. Mwah.